y'all, I'm back at it again with another hair tutorial video. This time, for the first time, I'll be doing an online review from AliExpress using the Ruiyu, I think that's how you pronounce it, vendor. So this should be pretty exciting. Excuse the fact that I look a little bald head. And also excuse my face expressions because I just be going through the motion. But yeah, this is pretty much going to be self-explanatory. So as you can see, I'm cutting the lace down a little bit more so I can get more closer to my hairline. So for this particular style of parting I'm going to do, I won't do any plucking simply because of my natural hairline and my natural baby hair and edges come out so far, as you can see right here. So it's going to be a little bit more hard for me to create baby hairs off the actual unit. So off camera, I went on and put the got to be glued gel, paste glue, whatever you want to call it, on top of the lace front. So that's why it's laying down. I'm just going to go with a scarf. Some people can use a blow dryer. I just use a scarf. It does the same purpose, to tie it down. And then afterwards, I let it sit for a few minutes and I'll just take it off. And then it'll just look like my real hair. Okay, so do y'all see this right here? Do y'all see that, like, wet lace, wet frontal that looks like it's coming out of my scalp? So right now I'm just gonna part it the way I want to. And that's what I love about this unit from this brand, is like the parting space is unbelievable. I really like the fact that I can part it any kind of ways, and it's deep parting. It's just everything. So again, I'm going with this got to be glued again to glue down these edges, my actual edges, and to glue down the lace front onto my actual hairline to make it look more natural. You can pluck it, but I personally don't want to pluck it because I'm going for this deep side part. So what I'm trying to do right now is kind of brush some of my edges out, even though I put a lot of glue on it so it won't really budge. But it's okay because we're going to make it work, and it's going to turn out the way I want it to, because that's what we do. We make it work. Let me tell y'all, this foam wrap, it does the job. It gives that slick back look. It's just doing what I want it to do. It's just working out for me. So after I do that, I'm going to go over with a flat iron. I like the way the fluffiness it is, so I'm not going to do too much, but this is pretty much how I installed it, and I am very satisfied with my purchase, and I will be purchasing from this vendor again.